Yo, what is going on? Alright, so I know this video is kind of all over the place, but when I inflated that tire and we put that wheel back on, the regular tire that went flat, it just ended up going flat again. So clearly it was like there was like a hole in it or something, or it was just corroded. And this right here is a new passenger side window glass. I'd say it's pretty strong, whatever, you'll see it. And so what we ended up doing about that tire is I ended up buying 4 new tires, all season tires, and just putting all those on, just taking the wheels in individually. And also I put on the front 2 rotors. Me and my brother did that. He helped me out with it. I didn't record that part because I just kind of felt weird recording my brother working on my truck. We don't really have that kind of a relationship, I don't know. But anyways, so the truck's got all new tires and it's got new front rotors. I still got to do the drums in the back, the rear drums, because it's got rotors in the front and drums in the rear. But at least the tires got some grip for now. But yeah, we're also going to go out there and throw this on. Oh, one thing I noticed about the brakes though, after I put them on, the brake pedal is still a little bit spongy, so I still got to bleed the brakes, the air. There was a little bit of air trapped in the system, got to bleed that out. But other than that, just got to throw the exhaust on, which I think I might need to buy a catalytic converter for. And then that's it, pretty much. I always fucking like stab myself or something while I'm vlogging. This time on one of those bronze huge staples. But anyways, let's take it outside and install it. That one and that one. Off. Oh, I also got to do that, I guess. Now I just gotta get that bolt and that bolt out. As you can see, that's all the broken glass. Someone smashed my window out. Alright, gonna try and hurry this up a bit because it's starting to lose light out here. Oh yeah. These are the old rotors right here. Look how rusty those are. Man. And these are the new tires. And as you can see, the rear drums are in pretty rough shape. They're pretty rusty all the way around. That's the new tires. And there's the new rotors. And there. They look nice and silvery. Damn, garbage can fell over. There's a new rotor in there. It's pretty nice tires too. They're GT radials, all seasons. Alright, time to get this bad boy in. Alright, so now I got the window on track here, and I got it on track on the sides there, and I lowered it down and got it on track here behind this little metal thing there and there. And then I'm going to put in these bolts right here, and then we're going to see how it works, and if it works then everything goes back on just backwards. Just some double-sided tape right here, and then put all the parts back on, and we're done. Now we should have ourselves a perfectly functioning window. Let's put this on. Let's throw it out. Oh yeah. Look at that. I don't gotta freeze my ass off no more. Nice. Let's get this back together. 3M double-sided tape. That was a fucking major fail.